So guys, we are preparing our client machine to handle the deployment. That means when we push some application or when we push the deployment of some application, it should be available on the client machine, right? It should be visible in software center. So we are checking whether SCCM client is already installed on the machine or not. In control panel, you need to search for configuration manager. So we don't see anything like that. That means SCCM client is not installed on this machine. Okay, so in this case we need to go back to our SCCM server. This is my SCCM server machine. Okay, now in console, SCCM console, in administration tab, site configuration, in sites, on the right hand top side there is an option called setting. Okay, so client installation setting, we have to go for client push installation. Okay, so click on that. Here we need to check enable automatic site-wide client push installation and server and workstation depending upon your requirement. Always install configuration manager client on domain controller. Okay, here we need to add an account who will be responsible to push the client installation. Okay, so I'm adding administrator. Okay, so click on browse. Here import your SCCM administrator. Okay, now we need to provide the password, and if in case you want to test the connection whether the password you imported is correct or not, click on verify and click on test connection. It will check the connection. Okay, so now okay, click on apply and click on okay. Okay, now we need to check our client machines. It is available in devices. Okay, so client and AD server, these are the two machines, and client activity you can see it is nothing. Okay, so we are installing a client, SCCM client. Click on always install the client software. If you want to upgrade, okay, if you want to install it from particular site, you can select this option. As we have only one site, primary site, so we are using this option. Okay, so click on next. Okay, done. Okay, we have to do the same for AD server also. Right clicking, install client installation. Okay, so you can also, once the client is active, you can also see the hardware and software resources of that particular clients. Okay, as it is not still active, so we will not be able to see all the details. Okay, just do one thing now. We need to refresh both the machines. Client and AD server. Okay, AD server is this current machine only. I have added it as a client so that I can check on two machines the deployment thing. Okay, so this is the general information what you can see. Now what we'll do is we'll go back to our SCCM client machine. This is my client machine, right? So this is the Vineyard machine. Okay, it has Vineyard OS. So we'll check in control panel whether the configuration manager option is available or not. Yes, it is available, right? But it might not have the options what we need, like actions. So this required a reboot actually. So we need to go for reboot. Then the particular option, I'll show you the options once the machine is rebooted. Okay, so once you reboot the machine, you can see client activity, it is active, right? Now we have to go to our client machine. Okay, it has been rebooted. We'll just log in. Once it is logged in, go to a control panel. Okay, here we need to find configuration manager. In the actions tab, there are two things: machine policy retrieval and user policy retrieval. This we need to run every time when the application is pushed on the machine.